Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change account name in laptop. Chapter 1. How to change account name in laptop from user accounts. To start, in the search box, enter the command netplwiz. Click the command. After this, select the user. Click Properties. Here, in the field Username, define the new name. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to change account name in laptop from local users. To get started, in the search box, enter lusrmgr.msc, open the utility. After that, in the user group, you are going to right-click on the user. Select the Rename option. Enter the new local account name. Chapter 3. How to change account name in laptop using Control Panel. To start, enter the control in the search box. Click on User Accounts. Now click on Manage Another Account and click on the user to modify. After that, click Change the account name, assign the desired name and click Change Name. Chapter 4. How to change account name in laptop from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to access. First, run the command Get-LocalUser to see the local users. Now run the on-screen command to change the name of the desired account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can commit this change by running get-localUser again. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.